How to fix YouTube is not supported on this device or this device is not compatible with YouTube TV. In both cases, you are here on the right video. You just launched your YouTube TV and you came up with this. But do not worry, let's just figure out this issue and solve it in just 2 minutes. So the very first thing you have to do is you can update your TV system. On many older TVs, YouTube or YouTube TV becomes incompatible if the system is outdated. So for updating your TV system, you have to open up the settings of your TV. You can press the settings button available on your TV's remote. From there, you can go to support or software update and select the update now. After that, just restart your TV and it should be working. But if this thing didn't work, then let's move towards the solution number 2, which is update your YouTube application. For that purpose, you need to go to your TV's app store. It can be Samsung Store or LG Content Store or Google Play or whichever brand's LED you are using. And after that, search for YouTube or YouTube TV and update your YouTube application. After that, just try restarting your TV and it should be working. But if this thing also didn't work, then the solution number 3 is you have to clear the app cache of the Android TV or Android box. Again, you have to go to settings, then apps. After that, go to YouTube and tap on clear cache and clear data. Just restart your TV and it should be working. But if this thing also didn't work, then the solution number 4 is you have to check your TV version because some older models no longer support YouTube or YouTube TV. And if your TV uses Android 5 or WebOS lower than 3.0 or Tizen before 2016, then I'm so sorry, YouTube will not work on your TV because your system is outdated. And the final solution is you can use an alternative. If your TV is very old, you can use some of the devices that I'll suggest. It can be Chromecast or Fire TV Stick, or you can simply update your Android TV box, which is the easiest solution from this list. And if you want a customized solution, you can tell me your TV brand, its model and year, its system, and all the details in the comments, and I may suggest you the specific solution according to your TV. Now do tell me in the comments that which thing worked for you because it may be a big help for the others to fix this issue which says YouTube is not supported on this device or this device is not compatible with YouTube TV.